Before the launch of the Global Polio Eradication Initiative, polio crippled an estimated 200,000 children in India each year. Until recently in 2009, India reported almost half the world's cases, 741 of the 1,604 global cases. With consistent, persistent and continued innovative approaches, our country has taken a giant leap. India reached a major milestone on 24th February 2012, with WHO removing India from the list of polio endemic countries. India overcame huge challenges to stop polio virus transmission, implementing strategies with unrelenting focus and rigor to ensure that vaccination campaigns reached all children in the hardest to reach areas and in the remotest corners, persuading refusal families and immunizing the most vulnerable newborns and migrants. There is a strong government ownership of the polio eradication program, reflected in consistently high resource allocation year after year. Government leads the strong partnership for polio eradication, comprising WHO, UNICEF, Rotary and others. The surveillance for polio virus by WHO National Polio Surveillance Project is extremely sensitive and one of the best in the world. Nearly 60,000 paralysis cases are reported annually by almost 36,000 reporting units for follow-up and testing in the polio laboratories. New technologies have reduced the time taken by laboratories to test stool samples from around a month to less than 14 days. India's unprecedented progress follows strong and focused efforts and a series of innovations by the government and partners to meet the challenges on reaching each and every child with the polio vaccine in every immunization campaign. Among the first few innovations was the introduction of vaccine vial monitors. This enabled vaccinators understand when the vaccine was ineffective and should not be used. To improve the quality of the immunization round, in 1999, house-to-house polio vaccination with flexible hours was introduced to reach children at odd hours who had been left out during the fixed booth day vaccination. Marking of the left hand little finger of the child with indelible ink after vaccination was introduced in 1999 to enable vaccinators identify unvaccinated children and immunize them. In 2006, enumeration, vaccination and tracking of newborns was started in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar to ensure they get at least 8 polio doses before the age of 1 year. An intense focus on migrant and mobile population ensured that the population on the move, which often miss vaccination due to their transient nature, are protected against polio. The migrants are being mapped and reached across the country. Polio vaccinators are positioned at all transit points, bus and train stations, and even on running trains. The Kosi River Plan was drawn up in Bihar in 2008 to immunize children in flooded and inaccessible areas in central Bihar. The high-risk blocks were mapped and additional stay points were built for polio workforce for enhanced supervision in the hardest-to-reach areas. The 107 block strategy was introduced in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar in 2009 to focus on last bastions of polio virus. The focus was on polio immunization as well as on addressing polio-associated factors such as sanitation, hygiene, nutrition, and most importantly, improving routine immunization. A robust and innovative communication strategy led by UNICEF has ensured community support to the program in the highest risk areas. UNICEF, Rotary and CORE set up a social mobilization network in highest risk areas of the traditional polio reservoir states of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Strong interpersonal communication by this network has helped allay fears and rumors and reduce refusal to polio immunization. In 2003, underserved strategy was introduced to get support of the marginalized sections of the society. An Ulemas committee was formed to enhance Muslim community support to polio eradication. The most popular Bollywood star, Amitabh Bachchan, was engaged as polio ambassador. A number of other celebrities have supported and endorsed polio eradication messages. More efficacious polio vaccines were introduced in the program. The monovalent oral polio vaccine, which is 3 times more efficacious, was introduced in 2005. India researched and introduced the bivalent oral polio vaccine (BOPV) in 2010 in polio campaigns. The bivalent oral polio vaccine protected against both circulating strains of polio viruses. It is one of the key factors for India's progress. The bivalent vaccine being used worldwide is a gift from India. The aggressive response to the polio case in Howrah, West Bengal in 2011, with the first immunization round rolled out within a week of the notification of the case, ensured it remained the lone polio case of the year and the last case so far. As a result of the interventions over the years, India's polio eradication program is today one of the biggest and most innovative public health initiatives. Nearly 2.3 million vaccinators reach out to 175 million children in each nationwide round. Today, the world is looking at India's innovations and initiatives to emulate in other countries still fighting polio, while India is working hard to ensure that the child in this photograph, crippled by polio in Howrah, West Bengal in 2011, remains the last case of polio in the country.